99% of GCSE students fail this question I'm about to show you. Don't worry, in this tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how to solve this kind of question in your next GCSE examination. So I will implore you to watch the video, the entire video to the end, to grab every details about of the questions. This is GCSE questions, and I'm going to be walking you through on how to solve these questions. So I want you to listen very carefully so that in your next exam, when you come across a questions like this, you're able to solve that to have A plus. So when you are dividing letters of the same base, when you are dividing letters of the same base, what you simply need to do is to subtract the second index from the first index. So in this case now, this question is going to be P 7 minus 3. So that will give us P 4. P raised to power 4. This P raised to power 4 simply implies that it's telling us how many times P multiply itself. So that is what this index is simplified implies here. So moving to the second equation. So when you are multiplying letters of the same base, so what you need to do is to add the second index to the first index. So in this case now, this one is going to be 6 times 4, that is 24. 24. Are you following? Then the index, this is the base here, H3 and H4. So it's going to be H, you add this 3 and this 4, that is 3 plus 4. Then M, 6 plus 5. So that will be equal to 24. H, 3 plus 4, that is 7. 6 plus 5, that's 11. M, 11. So this is the answer for this. So likewise, this third question. So when you are dividing letters of the same base, so what you need to do is to subtract the second index from the first index. Okay, so in this case now, this one is going to be 12 divided by 3, that is 4. That is 4. Then this base x raised to power 5 here, and x raised to power 2. So it's going to be x. You subtract the second index from the first index. That is x 5 minus 2. Then this y is the base. So, and y raised to power 7, and here y raised to power 1. So it's going to be, because they are having the same base. Likewise, this is question 3. So when you are asked to divide letter of the same base, so what you need to do is 12 divided by 3, that will give us 4. The x, you subtract this second index from this first index. So that will give us x 5 minus 2, then y 7 minus 1. So that will give us 4x, 5 minus 2, that is 3. Y, 7 minus 1, that is 6. So this is the final answer. So I hope you are able to grab something from this tutorial. So if you are still confused, don't hesitate to leave your question in the comment section. I'll be responding to every single question. So I would like you to hit the like button, share and subscribe to support the channel. My name remains Olusegun Abubakar. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.